Hi, welcome to another video of Discounts series. In this video we will discuss how to get Wondershare Filmora 20% coupon and get a chance to win $200 reward for free. So, before we start you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, so you never miss any update from CB9 in future. First of all, go to the link which is in description. Here you will find all detail of Wondershare sale. Here you will find two buttons. The first one is Create to Win. And the second one is Get Discounts Now. Now click on Get Discounts Now button. Buy Filmora or your desired product. Now install it and move back to this page. Now click on Create to Win. Read the rules and share your video on social media accounts. Your video must include hashtag Celebrate with Wondershare and hashtag Holidays tags. Wondershare will choose the winners and share them on YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe CB9 channel.